Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Balmer's YouTube videos. And today I present to you again something special. What you can see here is I'm on the official website of BOINC. BOINC stands for Berkeley Open Infrastructure for Network Computing. What does that mean? That means actually it's developed by University of California, Berkeley, and it's a client for distributed computing. That means you can join real science and help to change, different things for humanity. I say it that way because there are many projects I will show you in a moment. And as you can see here, BOINC lets you help cutting-edge science research using your computer. The BOINC app running on your computer downloads scientific computing jobs and runs them individually in the background. It's easy and safe. About 30 science projects use BOINC. This around 30 science projects at the moment. They investigate disease, study climate change, discover pulsars, and do many other types of scientific research. The BOINC and Science United projects are located at the University of California, Berkeley, and are supported by the National Science Foundation, the NSF here. So, if you want to start computing, just click here or download the BOINC client. You can search BOINC on Google and then go to the website or download BOINC or BOINC download, however you want to put it in Google, for example, and then you will find the download links, like, for example, like here, for the specific programs or science programs, actually, to say. Excuse me for that. You can see the website here at the moment in German because I use it in German, but you can also set it to another language if you want, or actually it will put up in your language which you use on your computer. This is German, and I just explained you what it's about. Let's go to another link. This is one other project which you actually can also join. It's the MLC at Home. That stands for Machine Learning Comprehension at Home, and what it's all about. For example, this is an interesting project, main interesting project that, let me read it. MLC at Home is a distributed computing project dedicated to understanding and interpreting complex machine learning models with an emphasis on neural networks. And it uses BOINC. It uses BOINC distributed computing platform. So if you want more, you can find more information on our main website here. And this is interesting because it will figure out how actually the neural networks make decisions. It's complex, but yeah, it's ML, machine learning, and ML comprehension. The neural networks actually are getting very much used in AI research, actually in AI development, and you can join this project. Let me show you how you can set it up. This is the BOINC client, which I already set up, of course, to my needs, to my calculations. There are many parameters which you can change here. And yeah, this is a project which is running on, uses a little bit CPU and your graphics card, the GPU, graphics processing unit, because if you set it up with the graphics card to use, the GPU to use, it's much faster. As you can see here, there are already some work units, WU or WUs actually to say, inside here, which you download some packages from the program, some work units, calculate them, and send the result back. Machine learning datasets generator. And the specific datasets. So this is a project which I run at the moment. And yeah, what else I can show you right here is you can add many different projects. It's also in German here, excuse me. It should be in English, but I use the German language at the moment here for BOINC. But this is the BOINC manager, which you can download separately or directly actually join like this by choosing the different projects here, some of them. And the one which I choose is this one. It stands for MLC and Home. Is dedicated to understanding and interpreting complex machine learning models with an emphasis on neural networks. But there are many others. Mind modeling. LHC is an interesting one. It's quite a large Hadron Collider in CERN, which is actually located in Switzerland. Yeah, you can choose different kind of fields which you want to have contributing or which you want to contribute to with the different projects in those categories. Cognitive science and artificial intelligence, and these two projects came up. And you can choose them individually, then and go further and join the project, set your name up, and yeah, it will download and start work units and start calculating them. So this is just a part which I can show you at the moment for to use the BOINC client here, which you can contribute to real science and solve with your computer, with your smartphone, with your tablets, with your devices, digital devices, according to the projects. If you can use a PC or smartphone or other device, digital devices, it will be set up. So interesting is actually that you can join and give your computer power for real science. Yeah, this is just a short introduction in distributed computing. There are much more projects, but this is just that you can see what is possible, what you can do in terms of helping, changing a lot of things. I say it that way, a lot of things to contribute to make a real change for the better for humanity, for the better for humanity, for the better for humanity. And that can help you may someday, or people you know, people in your family, people actually your friends maybe, or actually millions of people around the world. This is a good thing to start, and I highly encourage you, because you're listening right now, highly encourage you to contribute and also share this information to all the people you know, so we get more people to start crunching. We say that crunching, calculating, contributing, and really make a change for the better. For that you're listening, giving your time to listen to me, I thank you at this moment. I thank you very much, actually, at all the time. And yeah, I hope I can show you from time to time different things which really can make a change for you, for your loved ones, for your friends, and maybe many, many, many more people around the world, many humans around the world, for the better. So what you also can do is you can you can actually subscribe to my channel if you like this. Would be appreciated. You can, there's a little bell by side. I think it's on the right side of the subscription button, and if you click the bell you can choose to get all notifications, so every time there's a new video which I upload you will be notified. You can like by give a thumbs up if you like, and you also can share my video and or actually videos. That would be or is actually really appreciated. So again, join the projects according to your needs, so actually according which you like, and share that more people can make a contribution to change, to make a change, to make a change, to make a change for the better of humanity. So at this moment, thank you very much again. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for your time. And as always, see you soon and peace in.